Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Tired of fumbling for keys at your door? Imagine this, just a quick tap, and your door swings open. This is the Alarm Lock electronic digital lock lever set, and it's a total game changer for your interior doors. Seriously, this thing is incredible. Forget bulky deadbolts, this sleek lever set brings keyless convenience right to your fingertips. You can program up to 100 unique user codes, so everyone gets their own secret handshake with the door. Think of the peace of mind. Installation is a breeze, even if you're not a DIY guru. It fits standard interior doors and the lever handle is super adaptable, flipping easily for left or right-handed use. Feel that smooth, cool stainless steel with its satin chrome finish? It's built to last and resist rust, so it'll look sharp for ages. Plus, the real-time scheduling feature is pure genius. Set it and forget it, your doors can automatically lock and unlock at specific times, saving you time and effort. No more second-guessing if you locked up. This is why so many people are raving about it and making it a bestseller. Imagine this, no more frantic searches for lost keys when you're juggling groceries, or worrying about kids getting locked out. This alarm lock lever set is the smart, secure, and stylish upgrade your home has been waiting for. It's the effortless way to manage access and add that touch of modern magic to your everyday. You're going to love it. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.